Make sure you hit that Cash App. Help your girl out. Help a sister out. This is Barbie things. Barbie things. Barbie things. We get you one of them Mexican, them handy Mexicans. He gets it done. I can't never get a dishwasher. I'm not asking for much as a wife. Moving up. We're at 2,000 subscribers. Yes. So today we're turning our garage into a gym, right? And we're not gonna be hoarding anymore. Because your girl was hoarding. I was a hoarder. I'm not gonna lie. Straight hoarder facts. Your girl's been hoarder. I think it's a mental thing, like hoarding. Like, you know, when I was homeless, I lost everything. I lost all my pictures of my firstborn, all my ultrasound pictures. Everything got thrown away. So now I just feel like when I get stuff, I hoard it. Like, I don't want to get rid of it because I lost important things. So I think that's why I hoard. But I'm definitely getting better. I'm trying to become a minimalist, just minimizing. And you only need like 2 pair of pants in your life, and you only need like 4 shirts. You really don't need like all these clothes and all these things and all these couches and chairs and just hoarding stuff. And you find stuff on the side of the road and you bring it home. It's like, it's a lot going on. But baby girl, your girl's getting better. We're done with that. We're moving on to better things. We're moving up. We're at 2,000 subscribers. Hey, 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 welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. In today's video is definitely a cleaning video. So I ordered a dumpster and I got the kids. I got to dump out my whole garage, y'all. Look at the garage. I know I've been hoarding, kind of like a hoarder. I've been hoarding over the years. So I'm so excited to get all this stuff out the garage out. So I got my kids. I got a lot going on here. So we're going to get this dumpster filled immediately. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button for your girl one time. And let's get into today's video. Trying to empty out my trash out of this garage. I know it's a terrible mess, y'all. It's a mess. I'm trying to get rid of these bikes. I'm sealing my ceiling on the camper here. But I did clean out my camper. So let's take a look. I cleaned that out a couple days ago. So this is the bed. I'm still working on it. Still cleaning it out. But yeah, just cleaned the camper out. Sealing up some leaks up on top here. It rained the other day, but it doesn't look like it got wet here a little bit. So yeah, cleaning out the camper, getting ready for maybe some camping trips. Yeah, we're just trying to clean out the bathroom to the camper. And I'm gonna fill this up with probably some wood. So when I do fires, it's the ceiling. I might want to sell it one day. I don't know. For the fridge, freezer, my stove. But you know, can wash dishes here. My little dish washer thing. My sink. So yeah, camper's coming along. Then I'm gonna put my TV up there.
do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that back out. Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the men, the Cashapp, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the men, the Cashapp, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Cashapp, ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Cashapp, ride the boat, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Cashapp, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Cashapp, ride the foot, I no feet. Oh no, I now.
That's some new type shit. Get a nigga wet on news type shit. Sippin', drinkin', actin' on screw type shit. Just a sad hoe, running through a crew type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down Megan Thee Stallion by the group type shit. That's some thick shit. I just got you new type shit. I just tricked off on this grizzly dudes type shit. Pockets wrapped up, all blue type shit. Bunch of rich niggas, hoes get confused type shit. Atlanta nigga, live like Ted Turner type shit. On camera, knockin' jaws loose type shit. I counsel her, hit her out of school type shit. A silent hitter, I just keep cool with you bitches. A solid nigga, count dog food type shit. Moving through the city with your boo type shit.
Y'all, I'm burning up in this garage. I'm burning up. It is hot today. Woo! The garage is finally empty, y'all. Well, some of the stuff. But some of this stuff back here, that's like my family storage over there. Like from my mom's stuff and stuff. So, she got her stuff stored over here. I'm burning up. I rode the little exercise bike for a second. But, yeah. So we kind of turned this into like a little workout room. Still a work in progress. Yeah, we done found dead mice is in here, dead rabbits is in here, all kind of stuff. It didn't make no sense, Lord have mercy. Comment down below, let me know. How do you clean your garage? Let us know. Let us know in the down below in the comment section. Okay. So, like I was saying, this is the garage. It's cleared out. and we're turning it into like a workout room. We bought this boxing thing for my son. He's gonna show us how he use it in a second here. I got my bike, little exercise bike, and then we have our weight bench. So this is like a little. All right, so my son's gonna show us about this new boxing equipment we bought. We bought it for $50 at a garage sale, and it came with those gloves, a punching box up there, and it came with that. So I'm definitely gonna be hitting that, trying to get my belly off. I'm gonna do some kicks, some kick boxing working. Okay, so this is his weight bench. He got it in the garage. So how much can you lift? He's 17. How much can a 17-year-old lift? The most max you can lift?
145.
145. Okay, okay. Now tell us about this gym equipment, this boxing equipment. Can you show us how this stuff works? Yeah, but show us. Okay.
It's supposed to have a rhythm, but it's my first time using it.
Oh, you're pretty good. Okay. All right, next. And it came with these boxing gloves as well.
I bought these ones.
Oh, you bought those?
These ones are the ones that came with it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, it's just
And then,
a punching bag.
okay, show us how we punch from the punching bag.
They working my nerves. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP.
Oh yeah.
I love my bitch.
And that's a great workout. Then we put some sanitize here and some more extra weights. Also, I have a new hot dog cart right here that I'm trying to get licensed. There goes your sink, the gas. So you know I do hot dog vending, and I found this cart off I think Craigslist. I bought it for like $1,000 for this hot dog cart. But I'm gonna clean it up. And then you got your freezer. The hot dogs go in here. I'm not going to show you all today. I'll probably show you on another vlog. But yeah, I'm trying to get this license. So then I'll have two carts. But I'll show you this on another vlog, okay? Born, all my ultrasound pictures, everything got thrown away. So now I just feel like when I get stuff, I hoard it. Like I don't want to get rid of it because I lost important things. So I think that's why I hoard. But I'm definitely getting better. I'm trying to become a minimalist, just minimizing. And you only need like 2 pair of pants in your life, and you only need like 4 shirts. You really don't need like all these clothes and all these things and all these couches and chairs and just hoarding stuff. And you find stuff on the side of the road and you bring it home. It's a lot going on. But baby girl, your girl's getting better. Y'all, so I got a new dishwasher. But yeah, this one got to come out. This is going in the dumpster. And I had it for a year and only used it like 1 time. I'm going to clean up behind there. And then this is my new dishwasher right here. I just got a black one. This is just for a rental property. So I spent $300 or so on it. So we're going to get that installed today. Okay.
Every time I sip on codeine, clean, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at herself cause she can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing.
Alright, so there is our new dishwasher installation. What do you think, guys? Go ahead and hit that like button. We got this from Lowe's. And it's just a little basic dishwasher for a rental. Okay. I can't wait to use it. It's not hooked up all the way yet, but has your start button, all that stuff. And then we got these cascades, some pods, and also this came with it. And yeah. Hopefully we get to use it and have a dishwasher. I mean, we got a dishwasher, but hopefully, you know. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button for me.
Look, man.
Dishwasher ain't even hooked up.
Nothing about no time. How many times does Andy have to come back? He come by for an hour and then leave. I'll come back in 4 days. How many times did that happen?
Yeah, but that's a big project. This shouldn't have been no big, but it should have been a...
Justin said he would have had that knocked out in a day and a half tops.
Yeah, right. They say that. And they ain't going to charge
That's
more.
That's what he does for a living, babe. He does that shit every
he does
day.
this for a living. This up. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, he came over as a last-minute favor today.
Yeah.
It wasn't like
well, at least he got started. That's what I'm saying. At least he got started on it. I'm not saying. I just want a dishwasher. Like, damn. All I want. You know, his wife over there, she got her dishwasher. Okay, I just want me a dishwasher. As a wife, I need a dishwasher. I can't. I'm slaving away doing extra. Look at me. I shouldn't even be doing all this with these nails, washing dishes. Like, now I got to go back to the nail shop. Well, this concludes the vlog for today. I'm going to thank you guys so much for watching my clean with me video. You know, we grilled a little bit, we barbecued, and yeah, we'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.
From Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit. She told me
You a pull up at your spot, walk up on it.
got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit. She told me wait.